Welcome back to the session. In this video, I'm going to discuss about reflection of light. Okay, so look at this diagram here. We have a plain polished mirror. So this is the plain polished mirror. Okay, now when a ray of light starts at point A, which is directly incident on the plane mirror at point M. So this ray is called incident ray. Okay, now this incident ray, after striking the surface at point M, it reflects back and moves towards B direction. So this ray is called reflected ray. Okay, now look at the diagram carefully. So one imaginary line I drawn like this. So this imaginary line touches the plane mirror at point M, and also this imaginary line is always perpendicular to the plane surface. So this is the plane surface. This line is perpendicular to the plane surface, and the angle between the line and the plane surface is exactly 90 degree. So this line is called normal line. Okay, and also look at the diagram carefully. This is the incident ray, right? This incident ray makes an angle I with the normal is called angle of incidence. Similarly, right side, this is the reflected ray, right? The reflected ray also makes an angle or with the normal is called angle of reflection. Okay, so here we have 3 points. One is incident ray, another one is reflected ray, and the third one is normal. All lie in the same plane, correct or not? So now coming to the definition of reflection of light, it is defined as when light falls on highly polished surface like a mirror, most of the light is sent back into the same medium. This process is called reflection of light. So that is very simple. This is the incident ray, right? After striking the surface at this location, it bounces back in the same medium. This property is called reflection of light. So simply, bouncing back of light in the same medium is called reflection of light. Okay, so we have two laws. In that first one is incident ray, the reflected ray, and normal line all lie in the same plane. I told you already this point. This is the incident ray, this one will be the reflected ray, and this one is called normal. All lie in the same plane at the point of incidence. Okay, now coming to the second point, the angle of incidence is must be equal to angle of reflection. That means if the surface is smooth polished surface, if angle of incidence value is 30 degree, which means angle of reflection also 30 degree. If the angle of incidence value is 45 degree, which means angle of reflection value also 45 degree. So we can say that angle of incidence always must be equal to angle of reflection. Okay, I hope you understand. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel Physics Hunt 3. Thank you so much.